Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Subaru Crosstrek brake light, easy method. Open the hatch and peel back the trunk liner access panel to expose the assembly, then remove any retaining screws and unplug the wiring harness before changing the bulb or module. Work on one side at a time, test the light with a helper pressing the brake, and reassemble the panel once you confirm proper operation. Gather the basics: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic trim tool, gloves, and the correct replacement bulb or LED module for your Crosstrek. Start by releasing the plastic clips gently to avoid breaking them, then remove the screws holding the brake light assembly. Use gloves or a cloth when handling bulbs to prevent oils from shortening bulb life, and keep small screws in a container so nothing goes missing during reassembly. Begin by opening the hatch and removing the liner to access the assembly, then unscrew the retaining bolts and carefully pull the assembly outward. Disconnect the wiring connector by pressing the tab, then swap the bulb or install the replacement LED module. Reconnect the wiring and have someone press the brake while you verify the light works. Finally, tighten the bolts, snap the liner into place, and confirm all clips are.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.